Holy cow, guys, we got our first major winter storm of the season ready to pound the Midwest. Take a look. Holy cow, guys, we got a winter storm barreling across the upper Midwest. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, let's look at La Crosse, for example. 8 to 11 inches, not bad. Further west, over by Pierre, I mean, they're getting 5 to 7. Holy cow, guys, this thing is going to be tracking east as it goes. They're under winter storm watches in Michigan. We got 7 to 11 inches. I mean, this thing is going to be wild and hairy. Then we got lake effect snow. Let's go up there, 2 to 5 in the panhandle of Michigan there, or the UP, my bad. My goodness, guys, this thing dips south also. Holy cow, I mean, we're getting 4 to 6 inches and difficult travel all the way south. Further north we go, we got winter weather advisories, 4 to 6 inches. So, honestly, holy mackerel. 2 to 4 inches as far south as St. Louis. Man, this thing is heating up.